I'm Josie Shenoy and I'm an artist illustrator. I combine traditional painting and pencil drawing with digital techniques to make my illustrations, which are known for their intricate details and beautiful decorative patterns. After a decade of living in London, I'm now based in the UK countryside. I love going for walks around here as there are lots of charming houses and nature trails to keep me inspired. I love telling stories through my artwork, inspired by the wildlife and architecture around me. My illustrations are available to buy as high-quality art prints which are wrapped by hand when you place an order on my website. I have also illustrated children's books, puzzles, and many other lovely things. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this glimpse into my illustrated world, and please visit my website josieshenoy.com to see more.